How to get the best promo codes available for the Fishing Planet app in your mobile. Let's start this video without any further delay. We will simply have to navigate to the official website here. Are you already in possession of latest codes for Fishing Planet game? So we will check out in this video. The website is, let me just click on any official website, that is fandom.com here. This is powered by the Wikipedia and it will give you a short resolution for all of this. As you can see, this is the expire redeem code here mentioned on the screen, but we will have to find some of the fresh and available planet codes. For this, I will again click on another website, that is Deliventura. In this website, whenever you will scroll down, you will see all of the codes here. Like you can see summary of codes game Fishing Planet. These are the best codes, you can use it. And how to get new Fishing Planet codes, you have to click on the official website of Fishing Planet on your browser. Visit to the official Planet website, and you can do it by clicking on the access code input section. Once you're on the Fishing Planet website, navigate to this section where you can input the codes. This is typically found in the bottom, and in the designated code input field, type in a Fishing Planet code carefully and enjoy it further. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.